Is WIX Ecommerce free? No, WIX Ecommerce is not entirely free. While you can create a basic website on WIX's free plan, the e-commerce features are only available with one of WIX's paid premium plans. To access tools like product catalogs, payment processing, shipping calculators, and inventory management, you'll need to upgrade to at least the WIX Ecommerce Basic Plan, which starts at $27 per month. Even on the free plan, you can add some products to your site using the WIX Stores feature, but you won't be able to process payments or remove WIX ads unless you're on a paid plan. Additionally, transaction fees may apply if you're not using WIX payments, and advanced features like abandoned cart recovery or custom reports require higher-tier plans. In short, while you can experiment with e-commerce on WIX's free plan, running a fully functional online store requires a paid subscription. If this video helped explain WIX e-commerce pricing, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.